Hello, I would like to talk about the new command remap in RhinoNest 2.5. Here we have the tools of RhinoNest. Okay, the objective of this tool is remap, reorient the objects to the C plane, okay, to do the nesting later. It's very simple. We click here, remap objects, select the objects to remap. I want to remap all these objects. 15, great. Next is analyzing. Okay. And now we can preview. Okay. Let me show you. Okay. Let me explain you a little bit more about the functionalities that we have here. First, we have the remap parameters. Okay, as you can see here, show an arrow. This arrow show exactly the face that RhinoNest used to remap. Okay? Great. Let me show you. We have the option to activate one by one. Okay? And analyze one by one. Let me show you. We can hide the other objects. Okay. Great. Okay. Easy, right? Okay. Other interesting thing is we have the option to add text. Okay. Imagine that you want to manufacture this lamp. Well, you need to identify all the objects of this lamp. Okay. For that reason, let me show that. Okay, we have the option to create the text. By default is known, but we can use dots. We click here. Okay, and then we have the dots. Okay. Also, we can use text. Okay, it's the standard dimension text. Let me define 10 millimeters. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, we cannot see the text. Let me change to wireframe. Okay, the text is in the bottom part. Okay. Then let me show you how we can modify that. It's the number 5, then hide other objects, and we select number 5. Okay. And as you can see, here the arrow is inside, then is adding the text here. We have the option to define a new face. Okay, we can click here and say, okay, now I want in this face. Okay, then now if we preview, now remap the object using this face. Okay, and as you can see, okay, we have the number correctly. Great. Just a detail, if you want have this object oriented as the others, okay, I think it's not too much important because later the nesting will rotate it. But anyway, if you want, you have the option to rotate. You can rotate the object. Okay, and preview, and now, okay, it's correct. Okay. Other thing. Imagine that you want the text inside of the object. Okay, in this case, if you use a CNC machine, okay, I think it's not, or a printer machine, it's not logical that you add the text outside of the model. Okay, for that reason, okay, let me change to 6. Great. We have the option to define a point where we want the text. Okay, we click here, say, okay, I want the text here. Preview. Great. The same with the 7. Okay. And the 9, exactly the same. Great, preview. Okay, then let me move a little bit more. We click here and define here, for example. Preview. Okay. Remember, you can define the text height here. Then you can. Good. Then we have the same problem here in the 8. And why is in these models are okay and here is on the bottom part? Because RhinoNest analyze the maximum area surface of a solid. Okay, and in this case the biggest area is in this point. Okay, in this phase. Okay, for that reason we come back to here, zoom extension. Okay, and we do exactly the same. We come here, I want to use this phase. Okay, and you can rotate it if you want. Each time that you click is 90 degrees. Okay. Okay, then if you rotate now and you preview, okay. Okay, then 9, okay, the same with the 12. Okay, we define here. Okay, preview. Okay, let me rotate. Great. Let me show you other thing. For example, in the 14, it's not necessary that you pick other phase if you don't want. Okay, look, is in this phase. Okay, then you can flip. Okay, and that's it. You preview. Okay, and now it's okay. Great. Also, you can define single stroke font. Okay, why this font? Because the text, the standard text, is great for print. Okay, in a printer, in a standard 2D printer. But if you want to use a CNC machine, I recommend to use that because this text is created using curves. Okay, and the best thing is just a line. Okay, each letter is just a line. Then the machine doesn't spend time to create the text. Okay, great. And reduce 5mm, it's enough. Okay, then other option that we have is add a prefix if we want. For example, RhinoNest. This is really good to identify group of pieces. Okay, and other interesting thing is we can group. Okay, then we click group. Okay, preview and finish. And now you have the text grouped to your model. Okay, and also in the original. Okay, great. Just other detail, in Remap you can use curves, surfaces, solids, groups, blocks, okay, all that you want. Thanks for watching.